Government's push to address immediate cost of living needs continues to face hurdles. The cost of living for a family of 5, as measured by the Jesuit Centre for Theological Reflection, JCTR, Basic Needs and Nutrition Basket in the month of October in Lusaka stood at 9,294 kwacha, 0.76 ngwe. In comparison to the recorded figure of September, 9,146 kwacha, 0.06 ngwe, this signifies an increase of 148 kwacha, 0.70 ngwe. Our research reviewed an increase in food items such as roller mealie meal, beans, and carpenter. On the other hand, the basket recorded a decrease in fruits such as mangoes, apples, and oranges. The persistent issue of cost of living in Zambia has continued to be a recurring concern for the nation. The long-standing problem continues to be a focal point of public discussion and policy consideration. In October 2023, Zambia witnessed its annual inflation increase for the 4th consecutive month, reaching 12.6%. The primary driving factor behind the inflation surge has been the continued depreciation of the Zambian kwacha, which has impacted the overall pricing dynamics within the country. In response to the challenges faced by the populace, government has maintained its commitment to addressing the cost of living. Observed interventions include the initiative to offer relief to households through the Zambia National Service, who have made available relatively cheaper mealie meal in selected stores. Furthermore, government intends to distribute maize grain directly through the food reserve agencies to communities as a measure to impact the increasing price of mealie meal. Nonetheless, the lingering concern is how sustainable will government's maize supply be? While these solutions may offer short-term relief to households, our long-term aspiration is to establish a more sustainable approach that includes or involves enhancing maize production and other cereals, thus allowing the Food Reserve Agency to maintain a consistent grain stock throughout the year available at an affordable price. Despite ongoing endeavors, the government's persistent drive to alleviate the immediate cost of living pressures continues to face formidable challenges. Economic instability, external shocks affecting the price of essential commodities such as fuel, and increased vulnerabilities have combined to create a complex landscape. In light of this, JCTR recommends implementing the following measures in addition to those that are already in effect to tackle the high cost of living. Government should proceed with its plans to distribute maize grain through the reserve agencies to communities as a short-term measure. It is key that the most vulnerable communities across urban, peri-urban, and rural areas are targeted. Government should enhance social protection initiatives to guarantee their meaningful impact and preserve human dignity, both by increasing the value amount on programs such as the social cash transfer, as well as increasing coverage to reach more beneficiaries. Government, working through the Energy Regulation Board, should take immediate action to address the high fuel prices, as it is crucial for economic stability. Despite having implemented cost-reflective tariffs in the energy sector, it would be beneficial for the board to explore innovative solutions and run simulations to assess the impact of reverting to a 90-day fuel price mechanism adjustment. The JCTR BNNB has consistently highlighted how fuel volatility significantly affects the price of commodities and services in the market. I thank you.